Welcome to our detailed review of the USB-C Hub HDMI adapter, a versatile and indispensable accessory for MacBook Pro Air users and anyone with a USB-C device. This adapter is designed to combine all the essential functions you need into one sleek, all-in-one package. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a reliable multi-port hub can significantly enhance your productivity and connectivity. Whether you're working from home, editing photos and videos, or simply expanding your workstation setup. Let's dive into the key features of this 7-in-1 powerhouse. The adapter offers an HDMI port capable of streaming crystal-clear 1080p video at 30 Hz, which is perfect for presentations, on-the-go entertainment, or professional tasks such as video editing. The integrated 4K HDMI port, although limited to 30 Hz in this configuration, delivers sharp and vivid images, making it a great companion for photographers and videographers. It also includes a high-speed USB 3.0 port with data transfer rates of up to 5 GB per second. This feature ensures rapid data transfer when connecting peripherals like keyboards, mice, external hard drives, or even Wi-Fi adapters. Additionally, the inclusion of SDTF card readers allows seamless transfer of files directly from your camera cards to your laptop. One standout characteristic of this adapter is its robust power delivery feature. With the ability to support up to 100 watts, this hub can charge your MacBook Air, Pro, or any compatible device simultaneously while operating other functions. This is a significant advantage for busy professionals who depend on uninterrupted performance during critical tasks. The gold-plated connectors and advanced integrated IC chip assure you of a stable and reliable connection, added with a design focused on durability and efficient heat dissipation. Real-life usage often highlights the hub's plug-and-play functionality and broad compatibility, making it a worthy competitor compared to similar products available in the market. However, no product is without its drawbacks. For example, the HDMI output is limited to 1080p at 30 Hz, which might not be ideal for users demanding ultra-high-definition displays at higher refresh rates. Moreover, while the PD port is excellent for charging, the data transfer does not extend through that port, which is something users should be mindful of. To get the most out of this adapter, ensure that your host device supports video output via USB-C, and always update the drivers for optimal performance. Overall, if you're a professional in need of a reliable, multifunctional hub, or simply someone seeking to expand your device's connectivity options, this adapter is a top contender that offers a great balance between functionality and design.